कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्रामात गोवा फॉरवर्डाचे तीनूय मंत्री हजर असले. ह्या बसकेचो नियाळ घेतल्यार स्पष्ट समजता की गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्षांत गोंय राज्या भितर सरकार घडोवपाक तशेंच विकास कामां करपाक बरो हातभार लाभला म्हूण गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्षान स्पष्ट केला. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
The simultaneous elections, the party stand, and the party has fully backed what was discussed at the Law Commission in Delhi when the president of the party had gone. And this also came up during the review of the progress of the common minimum program of the coalition. Now, with all three ministers being present at the meeting yesterday, the review of the common minimum program was held. All members of the party interacted, and we were happy with the ministers' progress as far as the CMP goes, because basically all the groundwork is done, a lot of groundwork is done, and with nearly one year and 4 months of the new government, I think we will now see the results as far as the common minimum program goes. The coconut tree, which was one of the main planks, which was one of the main first points of the CMP, has already been achieved 5 months after the government came into power. Now, it was also stressed that the ministers in the cabinet should keep pressure on the CM and the other government, other ministers to achieve as far as possible all the points in the CMP. Now, with 1.5 years of the government gone, we still have 3.5 years to go, and the party is confident that most of the points in the CMP will be achieved before the term is over. Then during the meeting, the point of agriculture, which is also one of the major sectors in the common minimum program, and which portfolio is held by our party president. The topic of agriculture was taken up. The party is fully backing the agriculture minister in his thrust on basically zero budget natural farming. Zero budget natural farming is basically the concept of zero inputs into agriculture, zero cost inputs, where pesticides and fertilizers will not be input. The farmer will not have to bear costs of farming, and he will basically do farming with whatever is locally available.